Hello guys. In the last video we saw how if else works in Python. In this video I will show you how we can use for loop in Python. So for loop is used to execute multiple statements. So let's start. For I create some variable, maybe you can do any name, items for example, and in while. So the thing is that in while, so what is while? We don't know what is while. So first we have to create a while. While could be anything. For example, in my case I want to create a list. So exotic type. And what is list? I will show you in the upcoming videos. Basically, list tuples, and we have like sets, dictionaries. These are all the data structures, which I will cover in next video or probably after some videos. But I will definitely cover those all concepts. So okay, so now what I want to do. I want to loop over this y variable, y list. Okay. So how can I do this? So now what if I do? Python is so easy language. Look, I just executed the items available in y. It returns me exotic tag. Looks so cool, isn't it? Now let's start with for example, items in range. So yeah, range is the built-in function. 0, 15. So now let's print out the items. So it displays 0 till 14. Look, it starts from 0 and it returns us 14 as well. So this is how range works in Python. So I think now you got the idea how loops are working in Python. So they are not that difficult to understand. So guys, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So many thanks.